Here, hold this one. Film it while.
Sean, you gonna hit it or no?
Fuck no, this is a brand new thing. I don't wanna destroy it yet.
Justin makes it up. I'll probably do it.
It's because I have to jump that log. That's why.
Yeah.
We move. You guys move the log now.
Hang on. I'm gonna get up there and film from the top.
You won't walk up that.
No, you won't. Baby. That's way steeper than you expect. Holy. Holy! Nope. He's in a bit of a fucking. That's what I like about electric starts right there. Right back up.
He's on a tree root.
Fuck.